1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, this is Rob with Lukat again. Check out this old Impala. It's a Chevy Impala. Now there's paint here and there's rust and oxidation. The paint is brittle. But let me show you the power. The power of Lukat Fix It. Okay? Now Lukat Fix It is not a wax, it's a cleaner. Guys, when you use this, you don't use it to make the paint shiny. You use it to clean the paint. Now when you put it on, do not do circles. You don't do that. You go back and forth because this is a cleaner, not a wax. Now when you put this on, you don't want to remove the good paint. You do want to clean up all the contamination, oxidation, and even in this case, there's rust. Okay, and look at the way I'm using it. I'm just going back and forth and cleaning. There's no wax involved here. You can use the wax afterwards, but in the beginning, you want to clean. You want to remove all that buildup, all that oxidation. Look at that. I mean, you can feel this. It doesn't cut like a cutter, so you're not removing the good paint, you're simply removing what's bad, what's toasted and oxidized. Look at that. Now when you're working on old base coats, it's perfectly fine to see paint coming off. That's the paint that's toasted and brittle. All I did was cleaned it. Can you get that?
I got it.
Go ahead and get different angles so they can see it. Okay, might want to go that way now. So Lukat Fix It. This will clean your paint, bring it back. This stuff is crazy. I mean, that's rust pitted and oxidized, but we're still able to bring back the color. And that's an old base coat metallic. Wow. Okay guys, so get your kit at lukatdetail.com. Are you getting that? Okay. All right.